Hello everyone, this is me, Sir Alexis, and welcome to Grade 8 Math class. For today's lesson, we have multiplication and division of polynomials. Under this lesson, we have subtopic division of multinomial by a binomial. Example number 1. X squared plus 10x plus 24 divided by x plus 4. Ang ating given ay isang trinomial at isang binomial. Trinomial divided by a binomial. Our dividend is x squared plus 10x plus 24. Our divisor is x plus 4. Okay, we will use the long method on how to answer this given. Okay, so ganito yung ginagamit natin na symbol. We have x squared plus 10x plus 24 divided by x plus 4. Unang gagawin natin dito is we are going to divide x squared by x. Kapag ka nag-divide tayo nito, x squared divided by x, ang sagot ay x. Ayan. After that, we have multiply x and x plus 4. Pwede natin siyang i-multiply using the distributive property na natutunan natin nung nakaraan. Using the distributive property, x times x, we have x squared. X times 4, we have 4x. Okay, so pagkatapos natin maggamitan ito ng distributive property, we are now going to subtract x squared plus 10x to x squared plus 4x. Kaya lalagyan natin to ng minus sign. At kapag ka tayo ay nagsasubtract, we are using the KFC method. Keep, flip, change. So, ikikip natin si x squared plus 10x. And then, yung minus sign, gagawin natin plus sign because we are having letter F, flip. And letter C, change. It will become negative x squared and then negative 4x. At saka natin siya i-subtract. Or let's do the process. It becomes addition this time. Okay, 10x plus negative 4x is 6x. X squared plus negative x squared, it is 0. So no need to write 0. Next, bring down 24. Ayan. Pagka-bring down ng 24, sunod na kagad tayo. We are going to divide 6x by x. Parang yung kaninang step lang. So, 6x divided by x, the answer is 6. At ang sunod, katulad din nung kanina, we are going to multiply 6 and x plus 4 using the distributive property. 6 times x is 6x. 6 times 4 is 24. Sunod ay we are going to subtract 6x plus 24 to 6x plus 24. Using the KFC, we will have 6x plus 24 plus negative 6x plus negative 24. At ang magiging sagot natin dito ay 24 plus negative 24 is 0. 6x plus negative 6x ay 0 din. So therefore, our final answer here is x plus 6. X squared plus 10x plus 24 divided by x plus 4 ay x plus 6. Okay, example number 2, we have x squared plus 7x plus 10 divided by x plus 5. Unang gagawin natin dito is we are going to divide x squared by x. So, ayan, x squared divided by x, ang sagot ay x. Next is we are going to multiply x and x plus 5. Gagamitan natin to ng distributive property. So, x times x, x squared. X times 5, 5x. Sunod ay, we are going to subtract x squared plus 7x to x squared plus 5x using the KFC method. Okay, so ikikip natin yung x squared plus 7x and then flip letter F yung operation. So kung yan ay minus sign, magiging plus sign. And then change. This will be negative x squared and negative 5x. At saka natin ito i-add. 7x plus negative 5x is 2x. X squared plus negative x is 0. No need to write 0. Bring down 10. Pag na-bring down na natin yung 10 at saka natin gagawin ulit yung process kanina, divide 2x by x. 2x divided by x, ang sagot ay 2. At ang 2 naman natin ay i-multiply natin kay x plus 5 using the distributive property again. 2 times x, 2x. 2 times 5, positive 10. And then, we are going to subtract 2x plus 10 to 2x plus 10. Using the flip change, we have 2x plus 10 plus negative 2x plus negative 10. At tsaka natin makukuha yung sagot dito. 10 plus negative 10 is 0. 2x plus negative 2x is also 0. Therefore, our final answer here, x squared plus 7x plus 10 divided by x plus 5 is x plus 2. Okay, so medyo mahaba yung process natin, but if you are going to master it, napakadali lang natin itong makukuha. Okay. Okay, number 3, we have x squared plus 15x plus 56 divided by x plus 7. Hindi ko sasagutan yan dahil ito ang inyong chance para isolve ang ating given. All you have to do is to comment your answer in the comment section. Don't forget to write your name, section, at saka yung inyong sagot. Well, I use this reference for this video. Lesson Exemplar for Mathematics, Quarter 1, Lesson 3, at nandito rin ang development team ng Lesson Exemplar na ito. And that would be all for today. Thank you so much for watching and listening to this video. I hope you learned something and see you on my next video. Goodbye!